Welcome everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is blessed. I'm blessed. I'm having a very blessed day, and I hope everyone is having a very blessed day. So I'm going to read my scripture, and I'm taking it from John 15:9. As the Father has loved me, so have I loved you. John 15:9. Okay. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivers him out of all of them. Psalms 34:19. This is my scripture for today. So I'm coming to you. I'm going to do a version of pickles. I have some dill pickles.
My dear.
I have some dill pickles. I have how many? What size jar is it?
Two is 1 gallon, y'all.
1 gallon of jumbo dill pickles. And
okay,
y'all.
This was a request from one of couple of her subscribers for her to do this. So she's doing the pickles, the Kool-Aid pickles.
So I'm doing the Kool-Aid pickle, and I'm going to be using. This is 1.5 cups of sugar, and I'm going to pour it in to the vinegar off of the dill pickles. Okay, so I'm getting ready to do that right now. Okay. I'm finding Kool-Aid. This is a cherry.
Hey, anybody find Kool-Aid? Can y'all send her? She couldn't find Kool-Aid anywhere. All the stores she went to.
I'm putting in like 5 of these little glasses that you put in one little jar of water. So I had a real hard time just trying to find any kind of Kool-Aid. I couldn't find the regular packages of Kool-Aid. So I'm using the little packages that goes into your 1 cup or 1 bottle of water, whatever. Okay, I'm using like 5 packs in order to do this one, okay? It ain't sweet.
Oh yeah, put more sugar. Put more sugar.
Okay.
All right, y'all. She's adding another sugar because it's supposed to be kind of sweet, so it can soak into the pickles because it had to sit for a few days.
Oh, that's the pickle seeds come out of pickles.
Oh, and what's in there is the pickle seeds. So anyone will say it's pickle seeds that's floating around in there, y'all. Thank you. Okay, y'all. So she's using 3.5 cups of pickles. I'm sorry. She's using 3.5 cups of sugar. And that should be it. Because we had, if we had to, could have found the sweetened Kool-Aid, we wouldn't have to use any. But we couldn't find anything but those packs. And so this is all you need to do to make the Kool-Aid, pickles, y'all. So she's making cherry and she's making a blue one.
A little sweet. It ain't real sweet, but okay.
I think it's called them packs. Yeah, if y'all can find Kool-Aid, use real Kool-Aid, and if you do,
use real Kool-Aid or sweet. Get the pre-sweetened.
Yeah, because you don't, it's gonna be a lot of sugar with them packs.
Cause these said 0. That's what it is. So.
And they have to be sweet. It's not gonna work if the pickle's not sweet. Okay, y'all. And you just pour it back in. You just pour it back in there. That's all you do to make Kool-Aid. Okay. Then this is all you have to do to make some Kool-Aid. And it has to sit. It has to sit 3 to 5 days for it to soak in. Okay, she's gonna put the top on it tight. And then she's gonna do the other one that she's gonna do. And like we said again, it's best to do it with Kool-Aid. But we couldn't find it.
It's sweetened Kool-Aid.
Yeah, but we just couldn't find none. So this how it look. Okay, I'm finna pour the other pickle juice.
I got this in this sugar.
Okay, hold on, y'all.
I'm pouring it. This is a Hawaiian punch.
So yeah, she's making the Hawaiian punch, and she's making the.
It's called Berry Blue Typhoon. Okay. Oh, sugar. One. Two. 3½ cups of sugar. I may have to take a little bit more, I see.
That's how you do, y'all, to make Kool-Aid.
Okay, I'm going to be pouring it back into the jar. I use 4 cups of sugar for this one.
Y'all, when you do it, don't use it with the packs.
Yeah, make sure that to get the pre-sweetened Kool-Aid that comes in the little cartons, I guess. Because if you use a zero, it takes a whole lot. It won't be sweet at all. You're gonna have with the sugar. Or if you're gonna get the zero, then you're gonna have to put more sugar in it. So that's all I can suggest to you.
She's just showing you really the base of how to make it, because she has some requests people wanted to know how to make them. Some people they have never heard of them, so she's just trying to show them how to make it. Okay, y'all, she's gonna pour it back in the pickles, and that's all, and we'll come out. But please make sure y'all get Kool-Aid, pre-sweetened Kool-Aid. You still have to add sugar.
Okay.
All right, y'all. You just make sure you put the top on it tight. And like I said, it's 3 to 7 days, and we'll be back when they're ready. So she made cherry, and she made
blue red Hawaiian punch. What do you call this? Blue something?
berry blue flavor.
Okay, yeah, berry blue tail.
But please, y'all, use Kool-Aid or some form of type of something like Kool-Aid, and not Well, she just showing you the base. Cause she went to a lot of stores today and couldn't find Kool-Aid. So,
Okay.
all right, we'll be back once they're done. Probably 3 to 7 days. Thank you.
All right. This one is the green one. It's supposed to be. It's a how. It's a blue. It's supposed to be a very blue tycoon. Okay. And this other one is a cherry color. So these are the two colors that the jumbo deal pickle. And it takes, all right, it took 2 weeks to get them, the pickle colors on them. So if y'all want to make them, it's going to, once you put your sugar and stuff in them, it's going to take 2 weeks for them to come dyed outright. But I had to, okay. This is the very blue tycoon. Wait, turn it green. That's what color it's what color it come out to be. And this one is a cherry. So these are the colors that it come out to be. Okay. These are the Kool-Aid dill pickles. So this is the final my final presentation of the Kool-Aid dill pickles. It takes about a couple of weeks to get them together.
Yeah, she couldn't find the Kool-Aid. You really supposed to use the Kool-Aid and probably about about 4 cups of sugar in each gallon. In each one of the gallons, probably take about 4 cups of sugar. And you really supposed to use Kool-Aid, but she couldn't find the Kool-Aid, so we went for that. But it still tastes good. They taste real good.
Okay, because we had to use about 4 packages of each one of them, because it comes with 8 packages in there. But it takes about 2 weeks to get the color that you want. So, all right, thank you so much. Y'all be blessed. And this is the Kool-Aid pickles. So y'all can have pickles for your children or whatever you want to do with them.
And this is how they come out, y'all. And they're real good. So if you never tried them before, try them. If you can find Kool-Aid packages of Kool-Aid, it's so much better. But those are still delicious, even with the pack. But you got to remember you have to add more sugar because those are sugar-free. And you're supposed to be used to Kool-Aid with sugar.
And they might be able to find some with the Kool-Aid. They might be able to find some wherever you live may be different. They may be able to find some with sugar. Okay. Thank you so much.
But if you find packs with sugar, you still have to add sugar in it, y'all. But probably not as much as four cups like we did.
Okay. Thank you all so much. Y'all be blessed. From Miss Lena's Kitchen, Kool-Aid Pickles. Thank you. Bye-bye.